In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a currency symbol in Outlook. Now, this is a fundamental skill if you're regularly sending emails involving financial data, or if you simply want to communicate clearly when discussing monetary values. So, let's dive straight in. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you haven't already set up an account, you'll want to make sure you have that ready. Outlook is a powerful tool not just for emails but for calendar events and organizing your work, so having it all set up is definitely a plus. Once you have Outlook open, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find the option to sign in. Give that a click and be ready to enter your credentials. You'll need to provide your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication, ensure that you have your phone nearby or your preferred authentication method, as Outlook will prompt you to verify your identity. Once you're signed in, the world of Outlook is at your fingertips and you're ready to compose a new email. With your account signed in, look for the option to create new mail. This button is usually located on the left hand side of the screen, right under the Outlook logo, or in the menu bar at the top. Clicking on new mail will open an email composer where you can draft your message. Now onto the important part, inserting a currency symbol. If you're working with US dollars, it's pretty straightforward. On your keyboard, the dollar symbol is accessed by holding down the shift key and then pressing the number 4. Voila! You've now inserted the dollar sign into your email. However, if you're dealing with other currencies, the process can slightly change. While shift plus 4 gives you the dollar sign, other currency symbols like the euro, pound, or yen, might require different key combinations or shortcuts specific to your keyboard layout or operating system settings. For Windows users, you might explore using the numeric keypad in conjunction with ASCII codes, or search through special characters in the Insert menu of Outlook. It's also good to remember that, depending on your audience, you might need to spell out the currency to avoid confusion. For example, writing USD 100 can sometimes be clearer than just $100 if you're corresponding internationally, and there you have it, a simple way to include currency symbols in your Outlook emails, ensuring clarity and precision in all your financial communications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on effectively using Microsoft tools in your daily life. Happy emailing!